This is my second video about CKD. CKD means complete knockdown, where products are completely disassembled into parts and then sent. In today's video, I will be explaining you how you can save more money while shipping CKD instead of complete goods. For example, eyeglasses. Let's quickly check it out. Taxes of eyeglasses. Custom duty 25%, value-added tax 15%, advance income tax 5%, advance tax 5%, regulatory duty 3%, total tax incidence TTI 58.6%. Now, if we knock it down, we disassemble it like nose pad, glasses, frame, and even the screws, and then do the shipping. By knock it down, we can at least save 25% taxes, which is a lot of money. With the half of this saving money, if you reassemble these goods in Bangladesh, also you can save lots of money. At a Smart Global, if we can save the taxes, we will give you lower shipping cost. We believe if I can save your money, you can grow your business. And when you are growing your business, we can have good business together. So stay smart and stay with Smart Global.